Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to go through the Perplexity web browser called Comet, and today's use case demonstration is to leverage AI with its AI browsing capability to actually edit my document. So I'm using a Google Doc right now. I've got this video script about property management in British Columbia, and I want to use Perplexity to help me review my content to see if everything is actually accurate and up to date. So using Perplexity Comet, we can go to the top right corner, click on the assistant, create a new page. You can click on the summarize current page, so it actually has the current context. And let's say I want to add, can you review my content and validate if there are any incorrect or not up to date information according to British Columbia RTB requirements. So Perplexity is going to search with the latest information, and it will tell you that I've reviewed your Google Doc against the latest publicity available information, RTA, RTB, all the guidance. What you have correct, all this stuff, and then recommended actions and clarifications to keep it fully up to date. And so these are the information here, and you can click on the sources to make sure it's up to date and accurate. What we can do next, here, what we can do next is, it even suggests that if you want, I can edit your script to incorporate these precise reference and phrasing, add one-page elements, emergent repairs, all that stuff. So I think this is where Perplexity Comet is really good. You can actually modify your script or your actual document inside Google. So I'm going to say, yes, please edit my script directly on this Google Doc. So it's taking the information, and you can see you're getting this kind of highlight color on your screen. And it's going to tell you what Perplexity is actually making the changes right now for you. It says I can see more of the documents now. Let me continue scrolling to see the full structure before I start making the edits. We're not going to pause this video. We're just going to let it run, see what it will actually do. So it's actually scrolling the document inside the browser, and it's doing its own thinking, adding in the right content for me. Let's see. So if this works accurately where you want things to be done, then you can basically let AI do its thing. You can do something else. You can do something on your other browsers or open another tab, for example, where you can do other stuff. But now we'll stick it back to this tab, see what's been done. And you can see it has reasoning. It's actually thinking what it needs to be done. I don't know whether ChatGPT with the agent can do something similar, but having Perplexity Comet, making changes on your documents. This is actually really helpful. So it's actually quite good. So you can see the proposed changes, and it's actually even referencing where it's from. So it's RTA section 32. I believe that's what it means. So we'll see how this will end up. It might take longer than it's required, so I'll pause this video. Okay, so Perplexity Comet has made the changes directly on the document, and it'll tell you that what it has been updated. So it added all these sections. Of course, you gotta do some manual tweaking. So for example, they've added this new whole sections. The bullet points, you might need to clean them up by yourself. And then I'm pretty sure the spelling is correct. These are just flagging from Grammarly, so we'll just ignore it. But this is just a really simple use case on how to use Perplexity Comet to make changes directly on your Google Doc. So hope this was useful. And if you haven't tried Perplexity Comet, I believe you'd have to be a pro subscriber. I don't know if the free one is available, but if you want to give the AI browser a try, you can sign up on the link below. And I will keep on testing out the Perplexity Comet here. So if you're interested in these content, please do subscribe to my channel.